thought I'd just show you my latest toy, which is a Q-Zone hoop frame, which takes my Necky artisan sewing machine that has got an 11-inch throat space and turns it into like a long arm sewing machine, and I can quilt, but as you can see not too good as yet. Tension is brilliant like it was before. I have black on the front and white bobbins, so I could see if my tension is off, and it isn't. But it's going to take a lot of getting used to. I have now gone from being able to quilt more or less anything to quilting just stippling and doing that badly. But this is just a play sheet, and that's what I'm going to do for a few days, is just play and do patterns.